on the money. This next game requires a little bit of setting up. Bring in the curtains.
Oh, man.
It sounds like a freaking train is here, literally.
Was it like a hearing a challenge?
I feel like they're making noise just to make noise.
I think they're messing with us.
We've been hearing weird sounds.
When the curtain drops, you have to identify which 5 of these mannequins are actually people. The first 15 of you to enter your answers correctly, move on.
And the other 15 will be eliminated.